Are you tired of the automatic transmission in your Panther? There's a popular way out, and it's pretty awesome. Chris Adams from ADTR Performance has a 5-speed manual swap kit for sale on the ADTR website. This kit is specifically made for the Panther platform. You can ditch the automatic and put a real gearbox in your Panther. With this modification, you'll be swapping in a Tremec manual transmission into the car, usually a TKO or a similar heavy-duty 5-speed. This will be paired with a manual-friendly flywheel and clutch. This is not a hack, but a purpose-built setup. With the 5-speed manual upgrade, you get the following things: better engagement and control, faster shifts and performance, and more fun behind the wheel, of course. The kit that ADTR sells comes with the following items: shifter assembly, adapters, and linkage. Everything to bolt into the Panther chassis properly. If you want fun and you want control, this swap turns your Panther into a completely different vehicle.